how to make Sloe Gin recipe, and you'll find the sloes on the hedgerows during the autumn. And yes, this lunatic did do 23k getting her sloes. First off, you want to wash properly your sloes. I've got 500 grams here. Just make sure you remove any twigs, branches, any really rotten ones. And then you pop them in a freezer bag and you want to freeze them for 24 to 48 hours. Then you're going to get a really large kilner jar, one with a seal on the top, and just pop 500 grams of the sloes in there when they're ready frozen, along with 250 grams of caster sugar. Then you want to add in 70 centilitres of good quality gin, that's 700 mils. Then gently tip it upside down just to amalgamate the sugar. And then over the next 3 months, what you're going to do is you're going to tilt it on its side, and then every 2 to 3 days, just turn the sloe gin. And this helps to get the sloes activated into the gin. Then after 3 months, make sure you strain it off properly with some muslin and pop it back in the bottle. If you leave the sloes any longer than 3 months, it can be a little bit bitter. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this, and don't forget, you know where to find the recipe. It's on my website.